Preference power. Learning. Which do you prefer? In English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to tackle a popular and useful question form in English. Which do you prefer? This phrase is handy when you're looking to delve deeper into a conversation and learn more about someone's preferences. It's perfect for situations when you want to offer choices or need to make decisions. Which do you prefer? Is a question used to ask about preferences, especially when you have two or more options to choose from. It's a more specific way of asking someone about their likes and dislikes. For example, which do you prefer, coffee or tea? Remember, it's about making a choice between specific alternatives. You'll find that, which do you prefer, is very versatile and can be used in numerous situations. 1. Social situations. It's perfect for getting to know people better. For example, which do you prefer, summer or winter? 2. Decision-making scenarios. Whether you're deciding which movie to watch or where to go for dinner, you can use this phrase. For example, which do you prefer, Italian or Chinese food? 3. Business and professional environments. It can help make business decisions, facilitate discussion, or get feedback. For example, which design do you prefer for our new logo? When using, which do you prefer? It's important to make sure that you're asking between specific options. The question must provide choices to the listener. For example, instead of asking, which color do you prefer? You should specify, which color do you prefer, blue or red? Also, note that you can expand this phrase to include more options. For instance, which do you prefer, reading, watching movies, or playing video games? And there you have it. Now you're equipped to use the question, which do you prefer, in different situations. It's a simple but powerful tool to deepen conversations and understand preferences better. Keep practicing, and soon it will become a natural part of your English conversations. Until our next lesson, happy learning!